What's going on YouTube, man? I'm back giving y'all my month 4 update. I apologize for not giving y'all a 3-month update. I had a lot going on last month. I really couldn't find the time to record around the time I got my retwist. And I was about to give y'all like a 3.5 month, and I was like, man, I'm not just waiting to give y'all the whole 4 month. So I'm gonna just give y'all the 4 month right now. That's how I'm looking right now. And I did get my retwist. I did get a retwist June. I think it was like June 3rd when I got my hair retwisted last time. And it's July 2nd right now. So yeah, about a month ago I went to the shop. I ain't doing it myself. I ain't retwisting myself. I went to the shop and I like the results that I got from her. She hooked me up, because if you remember in my last video I had these two in the front that I had combined. I'm trying to find it right now. I wanted to combine them. But basically when I did combine them, they came apart. So when I went to the shop I asked her could she fix it. And she combined them and like they locked right now. Like I was surprised that like this was 2. And now they cool. This one right here, it ain't coming out. I don't think it's gonna come out. She just twisted them together and she knew what she doing. So I went to a professional to get that sorted out. So like I'm good right here. Yeah, my appointment in a half hour, so I'm gonna go there and get my hair done, washed and retwisted. And then I gotta go get my I got an eye exam I gotta go to, like right after I get my hair retwisted. So when I get done that, I'm gonna probably finish the rest of the video with like how the retwist look. And then like as soon as I get my contacts or like get my eye exam, get my contacts ordered and stuff, I'm gonna probably come straight back home and then record the rest of the video. It's gonna be later though. Y'all not gonna know because it's gonna straight cut to it, but it's gonna be later in the day. Like right now it's like 11:30. I'm gonna probably finish this video at like 7 p.m. So yeah. Other than that, look what we looking at right now. They looking rough, but like, man, I definitely feel like I can get a whole nother week out of them though. You feel me? They haven't been itching at all. I haven't been using none of the they haven't been itching at all. Like I haven't been using this. I ain't used this all month. Like since I got my last retwist up until today, like the last 4 weeks, I ain't used this at all. Like my hair hasn't been itching. I feel like when I got it washed, when I got it twisted last time, she just washed it really good. And I didn't really put anything in it after. Like she put oils in it after she twisted it, and I just let that be what I was gonna rock with for the rest of the month. It'd be real oily after you get it retwisted, and I just be like letting that go ahead and dry out. And then for the next couple days, I just start hitting it with the water when I wake up so it don't be dry. I still just put water on it, but I ain't been using the itch spray because it hasn't been itching. It really just been dry, and all I do is put water on it. I'll put oil on it. I spray it with oil sheen, but that's it. And it's been cool. Last time when she did wash my hair, she told me she could see all this coming out of it. I told her what I was using. She said that she saw it like coming out. It wasn't build up though. Like my hair is still like super healthy. I think it is. I hope it is. But she said she could see it in the water when she was washing my hair. So I just didn't use it. I feel like I didn't need it. It wasn't itching. I only use it when my hair itched really bad and it hasn't been itching. So I feel like I might not need it. As long as I keep it clean. I still like go to the gym every day and stuff, and I've been hooping, like playing basketball and stuff. And I be sweating, but my hair hasn't been like dirty, or like itching or anything. And most of the time when it do itch, it be like real minor. Like it's never like I ain't never gotta like dig in my hair. It don't itch that much. My hair don't get dirty that much. So let me show you how the side view of it before the retwist. I feel like I'm getting focused on look. Rise it up the side. Starting to get a little bit of length. Show you how this side will look. Make sure I'm in the camera. Good. I actually have the back. Can't wait to get these retwists, man. They're gonna be so fresh. I still like them. I like them right now. They fresh right now. They still don't shake yet, do they? No. Alright, but yeah, man. I get back at y'all when I come back and show y'all how the retwists go. You gotta come back and all that. Alright, we back. Just came back from the just left the salon. Just came back from the salon about like a cool hour ago. Yeah, about a cool hour. Hell no. But I left the salon about 2 hours ago. I ain't get my eyes out. Didn't get my contacts today. But I will get them. I'll go back Tuesday. I'm gonna get my exam on Tuesday. I had to reschedule. Stuff came up. So I'm gonna do that Tuesday. Need some views for you. Hold on, let me see. I really like when I go to the stylist now, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't think about it that much. Oh, y'all see? It's going too close. Alright. It's gonna focus, so I hope it'll be better. It's just, I don't know, they're just a lot cleaner. They get down to get a little bit more length to them. I'm starting to like them a whole lot more. I've been like them. I love them now though. They just, I don't know. I hate when I go to the salon, they be hella greasy now. Like, well, not greasy, oily. It's cool because I ain't gonna put nothing else in them for like the rest of the month. But man, they be hella greasy when she doing. God no. It's cool. Wow, here go the back view. Hold up. You don't see that? Yeah. It's starting to shake a little bit too. You see that? See the movement of them? Hold up. Hold on, let me see this side. Starting to shake a little bit, a little more free. I really like them, man. I really like them. This one over here wasn't trying to lock up. It's like, I think this is my smallest one right here. You see that? Yeah, this is my smallest one right here, so I feel like it's gonna lock up. It's gonna probably take a real long time to lock up. This one over here that I got, what was that? One that I got combined, it's still holding up. It's doing what it needed to do. I think it was a smart choice to go ahead and combine it because they was not finna lock up by themselves. So I just put them together. They cool down. It ain't coming out. It ain't gonna unlock. Hey, more videos coming soon. I'm gonna try to get one out in 2 weeks. I'm already working on that. I got certain ideas, certain tags I'm finna jump on. Since I got a little bit of shakage going on, I found a, you know what I'm saying, I feel like my spot in the lock community. And I feel like I owe y'all. I feel like I owe y'all some videos because I took a month off. Didn't really mean to. Stuff came up. And I feel like my subs are still going up. I got a couple more subs and I don't have content for y'all to watch. So I might start cranking out more videos, man. I'm gonna start dedicating more time to YouTube. Even though I do got stuff going on, but you know, I made my channel with all intentions of uploading. So I'm gonna be uploading more frequently. Be on the lookout. At least some comments, ask me any questions. Y'all don't know nothing about me. I don't think I do, so I'm gonna get more information out to y'all. Y'all don't really know me yet. Y'all just know my name Wayne. But I got y'all, man. 5-month update coming up soon. Next month. Probably gonna be on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd. I'm gonna edit it today the 2nd, so I'm gonna probably get my hair retwisted on the 2nd or the 3rd of next month. I'm gonna have a video out probably the next day. Like I'm gonna edit this today.